Hello and welcome to the Clean World Challenge. We want you to become global superstars of environmental protection. Powered by clean energy, artificial intelligence and drone technology. How does this challenge work? And what can you do to make our planet a better place? The artificial intelligence software team of PowerBrain.Shop invented an AI software technology for automatic detection of trash in our environment. In the forest, on the streets, swimming on the surface of water, in deserts, and in green parks, as well as on the beach. This technology is called AI PowerBrain. Our Brazilian partners from Novarum Sky in Florianopolis built cutting-edge drone infrastructure solutions. Their drone technology is a great platform for picking up trash. These days, João and his team of Novarum Sky are adding AI PowerBrains for trash detection to their drones, enabling drones to automatically fly to detect and pick up trash in our environment, in your environment, around the globe. Originally, the idea for this disruptive and very inspiring combination of high technologies came from my friend Giordano, who's a technology researcher in Curitiba in Brazil. He called me earlier this year here in Europe and said, "Samuel, can your artificial intelligence help cleaning our rainforest and beaches here in Brazil?" And of course we can. Having said this, these early days, AI PowerBrain technology is like a student. It needs everyone's help to learn recognizing types of trash it has never seen before. This is where the Clean World Challenge starts. We're asking you to help us train AI PowerBrains with additional videos recorded by you, showing trash typically seen in your region of the world. Just take your smartphone, take a digital video camera, take a drone or maybe a video recording robot and record videos of trash laying around on the ground. If you don't mind, also record yourself, telling us where your respective recording took place. And finally, upload your video to a public video sharing platform of your choice and add the hashtag CleanWorld to it. Sharing your video allows AI PowerBrains to improve their detection of trash. It also helps other clean tech solution providers and young startups developing similar services. Don't hesitate calling your local municipality, public services and politicians. Let them know that there is technology available today which can help cleaning your environment automatically, powered by clean energy from solar, wind and water, helping your local community and its environment. So what is next? In a few weeks' time, we are going to interview our most active Clean World heroes who shared videos online. We want you to share your motivation with the world, and we would like to find out what drives you deep in your heart. We would love to motivate young, innovative companies to embrace latest technologies to reduce mankind's footprint on our planet, as we do it. These days, PowerBrain.Shop is in a funding period. We are looking for sources of funding for the next significant improvement of our artificial intelligence technology. Here, everyone's support is very welcome. From my side, a very big thank you to all our supporters out there, helping to make our world a better place. Over the next weeks, months and years, you will hear from us. So stay tuned and follow our YouTube channel. Don't hesitate to share this challenge on social media. Have a look at our website where you can find additional details. That's all for today. Remember the follow button and don't hesitate to ask Novarum Sky and PowerBrain.Shop your questions. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.